It's noisy or not yet?
There's so many noise, of course. There's so
You are showing this also? Now bring it towards, like, from slowly from there to this point. Thank you so much for being with me, and what a beautiful day to begin with. Today we are going to review a good movie that's worth watching. It has a very beautiful message, and I believe that all you have gone through for the past few months, it's a very beautiful movie to watch. And especially the stories related to our recent life, that how we were contained in our houses and we have to do something which is not the past of our normal life. So now it's becoming a new normal, what's totally abnormal for us. So the story revolves around a lady. Imagine that in our culture, that how the woman is portrayed. The first, she has to abide by the laws of the family, parents, siblings, and then she has to stay in certain circle. So they draw a circle around her. That's how she lives it. And now, once she gets married, she has to follow the rules of the husband. So this is a story of a woman. She becomes a housewife. Her daily routine is just like a ordinary woman, just staying in the house, doing housework, cook meal for husband, and just do the laundry, dishes, and all this. That's her life is. So it become her normal life. So what happens during this situation, like what the world is facing right now, pandemic? Her husband is also supposed to be there now. So the life that she totally has for herself, or the freedom she has, is already gone. What happens is, now there is someone already who is destroying her circle, while it is totally not normal for him, but for her it was her daily life. And suddenly she doesn't feel comfortable having him all around in the house, because before he used to go to work and then come back, but now he is also part of the family. He is like staying there 24/7. So that's what happens now when your domestic dialogues reaches to the point, it turns into violence. So there she loses her freedom, and she felt embarrassed by all the things that happens to her. And I believe if you have family, your sister, sibling, parents, or a woman in your family, it will be very best movie to watch it, because it will define that the values that we have given to her is given to her by the men dominant society. I hope you will love it, and thank you for being with me. It's getting a little bit dark right now because we are here, and at the end of the video I wanted to show you something. That few days back there was raining and we got some 15 to 20 fish. We wanted to contain them in our big container, but they jump out of it. So what we did, we put them back into this pond, so giving them the freedom.
And we will show you.
Yeah, so we learn from some movies the life lessons that at least give us space to somebody deserving to have a freedom, to have the the choice should be made by them. And I hope you will like it, and kindly please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
No, before we also need to show you the fish what we caught.
Yes, let's see.
Come on.
We will show you. And few days back I just got the clip also, and we will also post that clip. Let's go to the It's over here. We want to show you.
Over here.
This way, please come here. Under the bridge.
Okay, let me show them.
Wait, I will show you.
See them over there?
Yeah.
Happily.
Okay,
Please
so
show me.
say bye-bye. Thank you so much for being with us. So kindly like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much. It's beautiful, right?
Did I just show a lizard?
No, it's a
Wait.
monitor
How many?
lizard.
Count. Don't touch it.
Okay, bye bye.
1,
Mm-hmm.
1, 2.
Wait.
I think
3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12 more.
some are. Oh, yeah, this one left. This one left.
Got it? Oh, hey. It's so fast.